And with all of those new developments back here at home, the Coachella Valley sees its first doses of the COVID vaccine, a monumental moment in the fight against the virus here in our community. Our Nico Payne is live at Desert Regional Medical Center. And Nico, what was the mood like this morning when those healthcare workers received those first vaccinations?
Sarah, there was a sense of relief this morning after the first 5 were vaccinated, and we learned that the hospital will continue to vaccinate 120 people each day as long as supplies last.
We're all excited. More than anything, we're all excited. All of us are ready. We're all ready to begin really living again.
I feel safer going home to my family, having been vaccinated.
A historic day in the Coachella Valley, the first healthcare workers received Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. Nobody questioning safety or efficacy, just happy to be among the first to receive it.
I was one of the first to put my hand up to get the vaccine. Been waiting for this for almost like 7 months. And again, I have no hesitation getting it. Getting COVID is obviously worse.
5 frontline workers who have direct contact with COVID patients among the first to get vaccinated.
We chose a representation of our frontline workers with respiratory therapists and the emergency department and our physician leaders that care for patients that do directly have COVID, as well as leadership to symbolize how important we all feel that folks get vaccinated.
Desert Regional Medical Center's governing chair was one of the 5. He's been treating COVID-19 patients and says,
as chairman of the governing board and a physician leader, I thought it was really important to try and be one of the first to get the vaccine, to really show everyone that it is safe to get, that we should get it, that it's important to get for the entire community.
10 months into the pandemic, and there's no question it's taking a toll on healthcare workers.
I've never lived through anything like this, so for me to see the patients that we lose on a daily basis is really hard. It needs to be stopped.
But for some, the vaccine offers hope and the first step towards returning to normal.
Vaccines are like silver lining in the global pandemic cloud that we have.
Health officials tell us that this vaccine is effective and safe, and they want to remind the public that face coverings and social distancing is important and will be necessary for the foreseeable future. For NBC Palm Springs, I'm Nico.